Facebook Marketplace is heavily integrated into the mobile experience, serving over 1 billion users monthly across 70 countries. Understanding how to access it and meet eligibility requirements is essential for successful mobile commerce. To access Facebook Marketplace on mobile, look for the Marketplace icon in your main navigation bar at the bottom or top of your Facebook app. You can also find it as a dedicated tab between your main feed and notifications, or access it through Facebook's integrated search function. The Marketplace interface provides easy access to search, browse categories, sell items, and view local listings. Each listing shows pricing and location information to help you find exactly what you need in your area. To be eligible for Facebook Marketplace, you need an active Facebook account in good standing that's at least 30 days old. Your phone number and email must be verified. You must be in a supported country, be at least 18 years old, and have no recent policy violations. Enhanced requirements may include enabling two-factor authentication for better security, completing your profile with a photo and basic information, and having a minimum number of friend connections to demonstrate legitimate account use. These requirements vary by region, but help ensure a safer marketplace experience. Remember to keep your Facebook app updated and ensure your account meets all eligibility requirements for seamless access to Marketplace's powerful mobile commerce features. When Facebook Marketplace isn't showing on your mobile app, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this common issue. The first and most effective solution is to update your Facebook app. Outdated versions often lack the latest marketplace features and bug fixes. If updating doesn't work, the next step is clearing your app's cache on Android or reinstalling the app on iOS. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be blocking marketplace access. Facebook Marketplace requires location access to show local listings. Make sure location permissions are enabled for the Facebook app in your device settings. Incomplete account verification can prevent marketplace access. Complete any pending verification steps, including phone number confirmation and profile information. Marketplace isn't available in all countries. Check if your region supports Facebook Marketplace, as some areas in Asia and the Middle East don't have access. Account restrictions or community standards violations can block marketplace access. Check for any policy violations and contact Facebook support if your account has been restricted. For advanced troubleshooting, try platform-specific solutions. On iOS, force close and restart the Facebook app. On Android, disable battery optimization for Facebook to prevent the system from limiting its functionality. These troubleshooting steps resolve most marketplace access issues. Start with updating your app and clearing cache, then work through permissions and account verification. Most users find success with these basic solutions.